What's up, everybody? It's your girl FitnessWithFlexHers. So today was an awesome day for me. Why? Because one of my clients was able to do push-ups. This is a huge accomplishment for her because when Naima first started off, she had an injury in her shoulder and chest tie-in. So anything that required for her to do any type of chest stretch, any type of arm elevation, anything like this was restricted by her injury. So we did a lot of therapy to make that area stronger. We started off with baby steps, doing very small movements to strengthen that area. And she would always ask me, she would say, Sam, do you think that one day I will be able to do a push-up? And today was the day. And what I want you guys to take away from this is don't compare your achievements or your goals to anybody else's. For Naima, these push-ups meant the world to her. We've been working so hard to be able to get to this point. For someone else, it might not be so much of a big deal. So just worry about what you lack in and what you're trying to achieve, because you are your own competition. Yes! Up. Good job, baby girl. 2 more. Give me one more. Yes!
So a few months ago, I had this really annoying shoulder injury, right? I couldn't do shit. But today, your girl finally did push-ups. Shout out to FitnessWithFlex because I did that. Thanks, Sam.